How about, how would I say he had a cat? Okay, so vi katagam is I had a cat. How do you say he had a cat? Okay, first of all, what are we changing? We're changing I had a cat to he had a cat. So which, we're changing I to he. So which part here tells you that it's I? Okay. Huh? Okay, again. Okay. So this part's the part that's going to change, the part that tells you who it is who has it. Okay? So agam's going to change to ege. Ege. Okay? So vi kat ege, he had a cat. Okay? How about she had a cat? Vi kat eki. Okay? How about she has a cat now? Yeah, ta kat.
Isn't that kind of repetitive to say ta and then finish?
Well, as opposed to in the past, you can say, you can say vi madra eki ta kat eki anish. So she had a dog, but she has a cat now. Okay.
So it's just for emphasis.
Yeah. Okay. How about, how would you ask, does she have a cat now? And will kat eki anish. So since the word ta here is telling that something is, and will is the question for that. So and will kat eki anish. And how do you say yes? Ta. And no? Okay. Now, let's go back to this one. Who wants to write that down? Got it written down? Okay. So vi kat agam is I had a cat. How would you say you had a cat?
Vi
kat agat. Okay, so you had a cat. And how would you ask, did you have a cat? What was the first one? On Rev.
Oh, did you say did you?
Yeah, did you? On Rev. On Rev kat agat. And how would you say yes? V. And no? V Rev. Okay. Let's go back up to, let's go to this, back to this one. Okay, so vi kat agam, I had a cat. How would we say John had a cat? Vi kat eg Sean. Okay. So, good idea, okay. Now, one other thing before we jump. Does anyone know the word for big? More. Do you want to know how you say big cat? Cat more. So how do you say John had a big cat? Vi kat more eg Sean. Okay, so you can have several words in there.
What's the verb to die so you can say but it died?
Pour shabas.
Boss.
Pour and traitor boss. Okay. All right. So, back to here. So, vi je nomet ege, so he had 10 minutes. Okay? Je nomet agen, we have 10 minutes. Okay? Rib and sauce before the break. Okay, so vi je nomet ege, he had 10 minutes. Hun e aeha, in order to eat it, or in Irish, in order it to eat. Okay? So hun is used when you want to talk about what the purpose that you're going to do. Okay? So I have 10 minutes until I go do this, to go do this thing. Or I went somewhere in order to do something. Okay? So we had in one of the earlier stories with the kids, and they had gone into the store, hun limonade oil, to get lemonade. Oil in order ice cream to get. Okay? So, another example, letter K there. Vi lahur agam hun ea yenav. I had half an hour to do it. So vi lahur agam, I had half an hour. Hun, in order, ea yenav, it to do. Okay, vi lahur agam hun ea yenav. Okay.
Does lahur always mean half an hour?
Lahore, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and there's a longer expression, a longer form of it, which you would say a lot, which is.
How do you say hour?
Okay. Yeah, the word ur has a couple of meanings. Ur means hour, or it also means time. So if you just said vi uragam, it would be pretty clear that you mean you had an hour to do something, whatever. Often you'll say ur an chlig or lahur an chlig, which means an hour of the clock or half an hour of the clock to mean a period of that much time. Okay.
If you wanted to say I have the time, so it would be a ta tour.
An tamgam.
So it wouldn't be short.
Yeah, so you say, so if you want to ask, do you have the time to do something? And will and tamagat kundolig shapadoira, do you have the time to go shopping? Okay. Talking to. Okay. If you want to ask, do you know what time it is, or like, do you have the time, meaning knowing the time, you would say, and will isagat. Yeah. Or kentame or karentame. So, well, it's about kintame. Do you know what time it is? Okay.
The top one is, I don't understand.
Oh, this one is, do you
No,
have
the
the
very
time
top.
to go
The
shopping?
very top,
This one?
half of the time.
No. Lakur and klig means basically a half hour. Literally, it's a half hour of the clock, as opposed to an ur and klig, which is an hour of the clock. But this is kind of optional on it. Okay. All right. So, okay. Vi lapuragam kuneyayenav. I had half an hour to do it. Okay. So, the last thing I want to do is sentence starting with L. We're going to look at the word fi, which is it's an irregular verb in Irish, but it's a very useful one. So you probably should know the different forms of it. The word fi by itself is a command, usually means get. Okay, so get me a glass, please. Fi glinadom le hill. Okay, so fi is get, glina is a glass, dom is for me. Le hill means please, literally with your will. Okay? So fi is the command. The word got is fur. Okay? So I got it from my friend. Fur me o macharae. For me, I got omachara from my friend. A is it. Okay? Okay, for me. And in the past, if you want to say I didn't get, use ni wur. Ni wur. So I didn't get it yet. Ni wur me gafor. Okay? Feeling? So ni wur me, I didn't get. Gafor is yet. A, it. So didn't get I yet it. Okay. And the A meaning it in Irish kind of likes to go to the end of the sentence. Okay? So you'll see it. A lot of other words stuck in there before you see the it, which you got or didn't get. Okay? If you want to ask a question, did you get? It's anwur to. So did you get a letter from your father? Anwur to litcher odaher. So word two did you get? Litcher is a letter. O is from Daher, your father. Okay? And how would you say yes? Fur. Okay? So someone asked, did you get? The answer is either got or didn't get. Voor. And how about no? Nivor. Nivor. Okay. The last form you're going to see a lot, and that's the words to get is oil. Okay, so would you like to get a new car, or in Irish, would it be good with you a car new to get? So, or walyat car nua oil. So, or walyat would you like car nua, a new car, oil to get?
If you wanted to specify, like say Bentley, would that go after car or after Dua?
Car Bentley nua. So new car, new Bentley. Yeah.
What's
I
the,
don't know,
are
Bentley